Hi guys, welcome back to another online session. This is for my students of architecture, so others can kind of scroll down if you will. You are most welcome to stay back, but do hit that like button, right? And if you are watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. That is very important for you, right? Myself, Professor Saptarshi Shankar Chakravarti. I have been practicing and preaching as an architect for the past 2 decades across India and abroad. With my hands-on experience in designing and building numerous projects, I've gained some real-life insight which you guys know I keep sharing with the world out there. But today, let me tell you something very intriguing, very interesting, which has come up. Some very fascinating facts about the benefits of studying architecture as a student. From my personal experience, I can guarantee that attending and graduating with a degree in architecture is one of the best experiences a student could have. The funniest thing is that even if some of those students never pursue a career in architecture, the experience of a school of architecture is extremely beneficial and rewarding to anyone and everyone who wants to get it. So, what are those benefits? Let's check them out one by one. Let me tell you before that, there's a book in Amazon called Think Beyond Architecture, written by myself. The entire 20 years of experience I have put into this particular one book. I have burnt my fingers the bad way, and I do not want my students to do that. I do not want the people out there to do that. Check it out. Coming to the first point, architectural education makes you an architect. That is very obvious. But first things first, if you want to become an architect, have your own little practice, stamp drawings and see your buildings getting built, then the School of Architecture should be the very first step of that particular process. Becoming an architect is a three-part process: a proper education, the on-the-job training, and getting registered as an architect. So these are the three steps which you should be remembering. On an average, it takes about 5 years to become, graduate out of the School of Architecture and get registered. When students first begin architecture school, until they are licensed as an architect in India under the Indian Council of Architecture 1972, they do not become an architect to practice in India, and that is important to note. Next is architecture. The curriculum architecture makes you a brilliant problem solver. The School of Architecture teaches you to research on a particular data, on a pile of data rather, I should say, and information, and extract knowledge out of it, and how to design building and solve a problem. The answers never come right away. They come through investigation. The process is important, and problem solving is important, research is important, and many versions of trials and errors and so on. What I call is an intelligent design process. So, which is important. The same design process and logic used to design a particular building, maybe in a School of Architecture, can be again reused. That particular knowledge can be used. It's not the content, but it is the knowledge which can be used in any different field which requires research, and that is where it is important to become. It helps you to become an entrepreneur, because entrepreneurship requires research, and this is where you learn in a School of Architecture. Once you learn and discover what a research process is, it will change how you approach problems in any area of your life. Next is architecture makes you travel the world. It is important to travel for architects to gain experience, to learn new things, and because architecture is a continuous learning process, we'll get to that. Everyone who studies architecture are encouraged to travel, to explore, and learn how people live, work, learn, and play in other parts of the world. People who are living in their own cocoon, I've seen a lot of architects out there, they never travel. They stay within their own box and think that everything can be found on Google. Of course, 9 out of 10 things probably you can find in Google, but the one thing that you cannot is a physical experience of space which is different from where you are. That is important to be kept in mind. People who are living in their own cocoon don't even know what architecture is unless they get out of their own bubble and visit places on other sides of the world and see how people coexist with their environment, how people coexist with nature. It is important to coexist with nature. So nature and architecture goes hand in hand. I have covered this entire in one particular chapter of my book Think Beyond Architecture series. If you are interested, I'm sure you are, you want to help the planet, change climate change. You want to stop climate change. Check it out. Yeah. So traveling again is mandatory, and it's a mandatory requirement as a student of architecture. Again, architecture allows you to make things you love. In a School of Architecture, you are constantly making, creating, and producing a lot of stuff. Sketches, drawings, models, renderings, 3D computer generations, paintings, collages, photographs, portfolios, doodles, and whatnot. School of Architecture allows you to use your passion very creatively. Students often find themselves so focused in the process of making that they lose track of time and the rest of the world, and they stay up late at night and over 2 or 3 days continuously. It's my personal experience. I never slept for a couple of days when I was working on design assignments. Yeah, not a very healthy advice, but this is what I'm sharing with you is my own experience. Yeah, coming to a vital point, architecture gives you great friends and some amazing people in your community. The people you with whom you go to school with in the school of architecture quickly become your friends and family because you are all in this struggle together. You spend more time with them than anyone else in your family. The National Association of Students of Architecture of NASA India, as we know it, is a students' association, one of its kind from the undergrad students of architecture in India. All architecture students must attend NASA conferences for the opportunity to meet a great diverse set of people across India. Regardless of where you live, you will meet lots of people getting involved with NASA. And that is important because that is how you make a community out of your own classroom, right? Then point number 5 is architecture makes you think outside the box. The School of Architecture is all about looking at problems from various different angles. Let me tell you, unlike in any other engineering discipline, architectural education is not about going from point A to point B. Mind that it is all about the journey. It's all about that entire process, the learning of this particular process that a student of architecture goes through. And it is a process of going through towards your destination, which might be very close, which might be far away, which might not even be visible, right? But it is the process that is important. That is what you learn in a school of architecture. When I landed myself in this my school of architecture for the first time in my academic life, I felt like I was rewarded for my creative ideas rather than being punished for not following instructions back in school. Right? Nothing can beat this particular idea. What you learn in school and what you learn in a school of architecture is diametrically opposite many a times. Point number 6, architecture makes you discover what you are capable of. The amount of personal growth, what happens during the years in a school of architecture is mind-blowing. Students enter as freshmen totally overwhelmed by the work with the thesis the students are producing, and after 5 years later they themselves are producing that particular kind of a huge lot of work, or maybe even more. I believe everyone is capable of much more than what they think they are. School of Architecture is an amazing opportunity to test your limits of what you think is possible. Point number 7 is architecture helps you figure out what exactly you want to do in your life. It's not just studying for 5 years and becoming an architect. No, it is beyond that. So you should be thinking beyond architecture. I have seen many of my students start the School of Architecture and quickly realize that architecture is absolutely not for them. Very funny, right? But they get a very clear understanding about what they should be doing really in life. Maybe it's animation, maybe it's graphic design, maybe it's fine arts or set design or whatever, the list can go on. The intense education system of the School of Architecture, which the Council of Architecture forces the colleges to actually, impart upon the students, is very realistic, is very important. Because architecture helps people get very clear an idea they can discover, right, what they are and what they should be doing with their lives, even if it is not architecture. Point number 8 is architecture is for a lifetime of fun and for continuous learning. The School of Architecture is a ton of fun, traveling and exploring many places, learning new architectural styles, meeting cool people, staying up all night, working really hard alongside your best friends, and always testing the limits of your own. Many people like me, even after 2 decades of becoming a professional architect, still wish to go back to the School of Architecture and cherish those golden days. Finally, point number 10. Architecture will change your life. It will change how you see the world and ultimately change your life forever. You will graduate as a drastically different person than what you had entered 5 years back. Except for the friends of your discipline, no one else will ever understand what you went through those 5 years in that particular School of Architecture, wherever you are in India or maybe abroad. School of Architecture is not easy because it is not supposed to be easy. The purpose of School of Architecture is to create strong, dynamic, smart, well-rounded entrepreneurs I stress upon this too many times. It is to make entrepreneurs, because architects have to be entrepreneurs. Come out of that box of yours. Entrepreneurs should be ready for the future. Become future proof. Become future proof architects. I cover this particular topic throughout my book, Think Beyond Architecture series, in my series of lectures, online blogs, and seminars, and everywhere I stress upon these particular points. You have to become the world citizen for the future. In a post pandemic world, nobody knows what the future lies. But if you are ready, then you can survive, because the survival is for the fittest. Having discussed all of that, I sincerely believe that an architect will always be a student, constantly learning, because there is a lot to learn and nobody can deny that. I'd like to hear you out. You probably have a lot of views, lot of comments, lot of stuff that you want to discuss with me. I want to discuss with you one-on-one. There are numbers given on me. You can call me anytime. You can write your comment box in the comment box below. You can write your comments. I'll read them out. I'll get back to you. But easier it is, always pick up a phone and give me a call. See you next time.